What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Hovak here. Welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about stratagems and how to get heroic rewards and weapons. So let's straight get into it and make this as short as possible for new comic players. So, guys, as you know, there are so many variations of weapons. Like we're gonna talk about the normal variations, which, as you can see, are these yellow ones, and after that, what they added a couple updates ago is heroic weapons. So these weapons got their own special perks, like all of them. This pinkish color, it means heroic rarity reward or weapon or customization armor, whatever. So we're gonna talk about how to get these weapons. As you can see, they even got their own perks cause it's on a heroic tree. So how to get these weapons? And there is a part when you come to this console mission terminal. As you can see, we get operations, siege mode, and stratagems. This is what you want to look for. So what are stratagems? These are basically daily and weekly missions with kind of custom debuffs and buffs. It depends on a week, so every week when it resets, the buffs and debuffs on your character or on the enemy side are different. So what we have here is daily stratagems. We got a normal stratagem trees and hard stratagem trees. What are the difference? As you can see, guys, down there on the reward list, that blue points called acolytes, which I will explain later what it's used for. So as you can see, if you do normal stratagems, daily normal stratagems, you get 10 acolytes. On a hard difficulty, you get 15. So one other thing I will explain in a moment, and these are weekly stratagems. These are much tougher for new players. These are honestly gonna need much practice, and you kinda have to have a max out class for this. Like, this is what I suggest. Never go to these missions with like a level 4 or 5 like class level, you know what I mean. Always try to go in these stratagem missions, especially the weekly ones, when you're maxed out, so you will have a better time, and you're not gonna ruin other people's match. So these are weeklies. As you can see, the normal weekly, which is kind of easy, everybody can do this. The reward is 125 acolytes. You never want to miss these rewards, because this is the currency you're collecting every week to buy new armor pieces for your looks, for like character customization, and the heroic weapons. And it got a really bonus boost for new players. We will talk about it in a bit. And on a hard weekly stratagem, 175 acolytes. So as you guys can see, on the top of that, there are perks, there are buffs and debuffs. So let's see. As you can see, for these weeks, which is about to end in 8 hours, I didn't have even time to do this, and I'm happy because I can literally show you the amount. So in these weeks debuff, one of them is maximum health is reduced by 50%. This is one of the debuffs. Each player is assigned on an enemy that only they can kill. So basically these are debuffs. Like, especially that second one can be annoying. There is like an enemy only you can kill, like your teammates cannot do damage to them. It's stuff like that. Let's say I'm gonna start this, I'm gonna put it on private mode. I don't want to waste people's time. So let's say you start this mission, okay, and as you can see down there on the part that is matchmaking, it shows you that red marker on down, it shows you this week got 2 debuffs and only 1 buff for your character and your whole team. So that's how you understand you're messed up this week or no. Okay, so we're gonna talk about other ways to get acolytes, which they added kinda recently, and it's nothing but PvP modes. If you guys really like PvP mode, you can also get acolytes with completing these challenges. Like you need to get kills, wins, and stuff like that. Uh, Also siege mode. This part is for the PvP mode. On the top one is for siege mode. You can also do, I think, 15 rounds. Yeah, 15 waves on a siege mode. Siege mode is this one. I explained on the recent video how to level up. Go check that video out 100%. Siege mode is this one. These are the best ones to level up your character in the first 5 waves. And if you go do 15 waves on each map, you will get 50 acolytes down there, and on a hard mode you will get 100 acolytes right there. So what are these acolytes used for? So if you come over here, you don't need to come to this customization station to see the heroic weapons. There is an NPC right beside the console. You can talk to him, and it will literally show you every heroic weapon and customization armor that is available in the game. And these yellow ones are not heroic ones, so you can just buy them with a normal gold in the game, like normal currency in the game. But these red ones, red pinkish color ones, they are, all of them are heroic type weapons, and they got the really unique and fun perks. And beside that, on the right side, if you really care about fashion marine, you can buy really cool armors. Like my next goal is to buy this Death Watch chest piece, which looks really crisp and cool. So yeah, you can buy armors here, customize your character the way you want, buy heroic weapons, the ones you want. I will make a video about heroic weapons, which ones to get first. But if you're watching right now, the first one I would recommend you to get it. Like it will help any class. Expect heavy and assault. Is this dagger. We will make video about it later. So if you don't know what to get this dagger for now. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And it shows you up here how many acolytes you got. Currently I got only 5 because I spent on a couple pieces of armor last week. And yeah, and you can trade some materials here for normal gold and stuff. And that is pretty much it, guys. Hope this video helps. Hope you finally know how to do stratagems and how the acolytes come from, how to farm it. And yeah, hope this video helps a lot, especially new players are a bit confused in the game trying to get heroic weapons. And heroic weapon got a really cool buff I wanted to explain earlier. I forgot. We will talk about it now. So let's say you literally just started the game. So what you're gonna use is this first sword, right? Because you didn't even unlock these variations right here, didn't even level up. But if you do stratagem with others, like your friends, even I can help you. Guys, like I told you before in every other video, if you need help leveling up or anything else, just let me know. I would be more than happy to help new players especially. So let's say you're using this sword, the damage is terrible, everything is bad. You can straight go to that shop I showed you and buy a heroic weapon. Yeah, you will miss out literally so many like perk trees. You will miss out all of these perk trees and really good damage potentials, but you will have the heroic perk. It will literally boost the progressing your weapon much easier than a default weapon on low difficulties. Yeah, you don't need to fully upgrade a weapon to be able to buy one of these heroics. Yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. That was it for today. This was a short video. I didn't want to take much time. If you're watching this video, please go check my other videos too. they can be helpful to you. I made a couple of best builds for a couple of secondary weapons. I'm trying to make more, trying to find some free time to make videos right now, and my channel is close to get monetized. Please, if you have time, go watch my other videos, give me some watch time to get back into the algorithm. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Go tell your family you love them. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you need any kind of help. And that's it. Peace out.